Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Day 2 of our UP trip.
We're not in the UP yet.
Well,
In a quarter mile, turn right onto County Road R.
And we're merrily on our way to nowhere.
so we have Miss Google directing us to nowhere.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, I'm going somewhere, but like,
Yeah, I
it's
know.
going wherever they
Take
go.
the next right onto County Road R.
Alright, but we missed, we didn't choose correctly for our dinner, because a half a block from where our hotel was this pizza and fish restaurant, and that just sounds like too good to pass
Fish
up.
on your pizza?
No, it just said pizza and fish.
Okay, so.
Pizza and fish, they shouldn't be, those are two things you shouldn't be co-specialized in. But anyway, the only downside of eating at that, oh my gosh, it would have been perfect Michelin rated restaurant. Only issue is they've been closed, and it looks like they've been closed for years. Strange. You'd think that people would flock from all over the country to eat at a place called...
I would.
You would?
I like pizza and fish.
That's fine. You could. It'd be like, oh, let's eat at this. I don't know what. Yeah. No. I thought we had to turn again. I'll think of some weird combinations and I'll come back with them shortly. I don't think I'm gonna get a good video of them. Yeah, it's a baby deer. And boy, you're not really scared of cars, are you? Please be scared of cars.
Yeah.
But anyway, okay, Aaron thought of a fine steak restaurant that also specializes in Mexican food.
Tacos.
Tacos. Now, yeah, tacos. And a steak taco is really good, but if you put them separately, yeah. And I was thinking of like a IHOP slash with a hibachi restaurant. Like they have a hibachi grill in the center. That'd be a strange pairing. Yeah. Alright. Our brains aren't fully awake yet, so we're probably just gonna ditch this.
Sushi and burgers.
Sushi burger. You know what? What about, there's that one place across from the place I used to work at Meyer. There was like a Japanese fusion burger, but maybe it wasn't sushi.
Different.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know.
And we no longer care. I'm pretty sure this is called Random Lake, but it's cute. We beat the morning rush, so that's nice. Because we didn't get here quite at rope drop.
It's kind of hot. Oh, it's already hot.
Yeah, it is warm, but I wouldn't say hot.
Ooh, we can feel a birch tree.
Take a shot, Aaron. Actually, don't. You can take a shot of Kool-Aid.
Oh, you said that when we get
Yeah.
so close to birch tree, it's close enough.
I know. That's true, I didn't yesterday. But I'm pretty sure that she said birch tree at least 10 times, I'm guessing. I'm not going in the water.
Aww.
Yeah, we might for a little while. Birch! Enjoying yourself.
It's nice.
But it's nice, but it's also murky and...
It's not outside. You see two fish. Right there.
Okay, I guess murky is not the right word. Squishy. That's the word. Oh, there's a bunch of... No, I'm good. I'm sure. I've been in water a couple weeks ago.
It's nice.
I'm sure it is. Do I go into your swimsuit?
No.
Me neither. Good. Alright, yesterday's word of the day was definitely birch. Today's word of the day is escarpments. Now, I've never heard that word before, but I can infer from the context that it's like steep climbs.
Like, yeah, steep slope.
So, yeah, for like the roads or trails. Escarpments. You know what? I didn't realize that Michigan and Wisconsin, all these lakes and trails look the same. Just feels like we were just here.
I know.
Weird.
Ooh. I wonder if this beach feels as nice as that other one I see going there.
We actually will break the illusion yet again. And we just wanted to get back for bug spray because there's a trail over here. Well, you saw that with the escarpment. And get water. Oh, I didn't care about the water and the snacks. I cared about the bugs because they were already bugging us and we didn't even step 1 foot into the forest. Yes, bugs were definitely bugging us.
The hell is so buggy, but at least now they won't bite you.
Nice. I'm guessing this is what they meant by escarpment. Pretty cool.
Except for me.
What? Yeah.
What?
Nice. So is that escarpment? Or is this escarpment? Oh, I think this is escarpment. It looks like you go up through here. We haven't seen any frogs, but we heard them. And I haven't seen any turtles yet, but I heard them barking. See, there's one now.
I see a fish.
Yeah, there's lots of little fish.
Look at my fish.
Oh yeah, there you are. Lunch. All right, our third place to visit, and surprise, surprise, it looks just like the others. But unfortunately, there was a rock slide at that walk, so the escarpment had to end. We had to stop escarping. Move on to another parkish area.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see if the other one looks just like this, like all the rest. They're all about warning you here. First escarpments, now dangerous overlooks. We already paid at the last one, and it's good at all the areas around here. And I don't know if you can hear it, but there's falls. Oh, I guess this goes to the top of it. Neat. And I'm keeping recording if I don't fall. Because I gotta imagine just around the river bend is the river bend. That's cool. I'm expecting a raft to go by in a second. I'll record more when I get there. You're watching how cream soda gets made. The Wonka way. Shannon, just be careful. You're clumsy. I'm sorry, people. You didn't need to hear me call my wife clumsy. Oh, as long as she stays. No! Well, this will be the last known video, I guess. Here's another look. And I got good news. She's still with us.
I'm still here. I haven't seen it in a while. I know how I feel when you get close to the edge of the Grand Canyon.
Oh, I wasn't that close.
Yeah, you were.
No, I wasn't.
I'm just getting back to my native roots of the Ojibwe tribe.
And you might have gone really close to the Ojibwe, what did you call it?
Ojibwe!
The Ojibwe tribe. Very pretty here though. We're walking down. I guess this takes the base of the waterfall. I'm not sure how good a view because the waterfall kind of curves around like you can see, and this path isn't too bad. It's rocky but stable. If Aaron and Shannon can do it, I can do it. I am a former Arizonan, or maybe I have like a dual citizenship. I'm both a Chicagoan or an Illinoisan and an Arizonan. I'm not sure officially how that works. We changed elevation faster than I thought. It's all still snowy at this area, but it's pretty over, you know, the water's rushing by the snow. That's pretty cool.
No.
Is that really snow?
Isn't it?
I don't know, let me touch your
I'm just kidding, it's like 80 out. But we made it to the bottom. You're gross, disgusting Santa, you are. But it looks like you got a decent view of the falls. It'll be less likely for Shannon to die from here. That is pretty cool. I don't know what they're in a hurry for. We don't have another fast pass for a couple hours. But seriously, I think we have one more place to go. Another fall area, I believe. But half the point of being out here is to enjoy the walk and enjoy the nature. They're way ahead of me now. Sometimes they can't see the forest through the trees. They like mixing up their adjectives. This is a rugged trail, Smalley Falls. We're in Marinette County. Man, that seems like, I don't know, maybe there is unlimited trout. Infinite amount of trout here. Dangerous overlook. Oh, they use that one again. But I mean, what else besides dangerous can you say for the overlook? Treacherous? Doesn't quite do it. Yeah. Yeah, I can't hear it yet, but this one's 250 yards away, and the other one was like, what do you think? 100 yards? Maybe?
Watching the process of how rough here.
Yeah, this is the root beer waterfall.
You know why it's that color? Because of the iron and rock. This is what the rest is.
Yeah. Those aren't bugs. It's just a reflection of the babbling brook. The Menominee. Welcome to Michigan.
Welcome to Michigan.
Are we ducking back into Wisconsin at all this trip, or?
No, I think we're done.
Alright.
Here's Gorge. I want to go there.
What is it? That's a scenic area? Alright, why not? it's one of those type of trips.
Well, we got time today. 'Cause
Oh,
we're
yeah.
gonna go to river rafting, you know, but the water that you saw in those pictures. And actually,
Wow, Shin. Get on the right side of the road.
Pierce Gorge, when I was reading about the river rafting, that's the gorge that you like go through when
Right.
you're on the raft.
Yeah, if they warn you that it's, well, there should be a sign. If they warn you that the water's high and it's fast, and they're the people who do it every day, they're normally the type of people, no, it's fine.
Yeah.
And I'd just be too worried about Aaron and Shannon.
I'd be too worried about you, because you have to paddle.
Yeah. All right, for all three of ours sake, we're not doing it. What did you want to say?
We are now officially in
Michigan.
We're in the Michigan.
the Michigan. In the UP.
Nice.
In the UP.
We were unofficially in for a while, but now we're officially in.
Oh, that fresh air.
Yes, they're so much fresher than 2 miles away.
Because I just feel like you're Michigan. They aren't even agree.
They're both brainwashed.
Hey, and the nice thing is, we got the 2020 Rec Pass for Kentwater, and it works at all the parks here.
Is there any national parks here though? Because it wouldn't work there.
I don't know if there's national
Yeah.
parks here.
Fern. Those aren't bugs. It's just a reflection of the babbling brook. Explain that again.
Oh, we just saw the people in the raft over here, river rafting. And there's a gorge over here, and it said that anyone less than 100 pounds or like under 12 have to stay on the side while they go down the gorge.
So we just saw the raft.
At the end of the gorge, you see these people?
Yeah.
Unless they're done too. That might be the end of the
Uh,
yeah, I'm not sure.
but either way, there's a gorge.
Yeah, that's like the 10-foot.
10 foot?
Yeah, it's only
They make you get off for 10 feet?
well, if you're less than 100 pounds, you might like jump, like bounce out or something.
Gotcha. You need the center of gravity, I guess.
And we're not going
I was gonna say
rafting.
that's pretty extreme for rafting.
No kidding.
This is how coach is here.
Well,
Yeah, this is the go. Yeah.
They said it's like the Colorado over here. And then when it's like this, it definitely is. Like anything like by the Rockies.
But that's the Colorado. I have to do that. Once COVID's over.
Yeah.
Not a random river in Michigan.
Slash Wisconsin. 'Cause that
Oh, yeah.
picture right there, that's Wisconsin.
The other side of the border. We're not allowed over there.
That's Packer country.
Well, we're in lion country, not much better.
Yeah, that's really pissed off.
But we suck. I think didn't we get even a worse? Anyway, you don't need to hear about us bicker about pro football that might not even happen. No, that's not so bad. Actually, that's not what I'm worried about. Well, they're probably getting on the side of that rock. No. You don't really have to paddle at all, though.
Not that long. For right now.
Hardly anybody's on that. Oh, that's cool. GoPro. I'm guessing that's the guide.
Yeah, and then we can get you a video of comparison.
Oh, I definitely, if we did it, I'd definitely pay extra for that. as bad as it looks, actually.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm not here to be crammed with other people.
Yeah. But if it was just that, yeah.
What?
If we were the only three, that would be an experience.
Oh, yeah, that'd be awesome.
Alright, we're in Norway?
No way.
No way. You don't pronounce ours?
No, the tricky trolls.
And how do Norwegian Vikings sound? No. You be wrong.
Influential a McDonald's.
Yeah, rule number 1 does not apply for 2 different reasons. Reason number 1 is we're not far enough away, so I don't think it counts, right?
I don't know. It should count still, but...
And 2, we might not have any choice.
Exactly.
And 3, people don't abide by COVID rules.
Well, that's why I mean, that's so we can't eat there. Well, I mean, we could.
Well, we
but...
went to McDonald's and Wendy's in Michigan.
Well, we did. No, that was.
And they both weren't wearing masks.
But that was. We were unfortunately clueless to that, and we wrote
you don't
emails.
want to go to the Thirsty Whale Bar and Grill.
No, not really. I like the sign.
Us the 79%. That was the only 79% natural.
I don't think they're even. Oh, yeah, they're open. Anyway, off we go.
Over there. That was due to COVID-19.
Be safe. Virtual cinema.
Oh, that's cool.
www.netflix.com.
Thebrowmount.org.
I don't think I actually recorded that last time. So we saw Pizza Hut standalone, and we're in
Iron Mountain, Michigan.
Iron Mountain, Michigan, a resort town. It's kind of cute, actually.
There's the city hall.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, St. Vincent's.
Oh yeah, I wonder what the color of the day is.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Historical Museum. Face masks
Sold
sold here.
In there, Jesus, it looked like what? Like when it's not COVID, it looked like one of those free candy signs into this dimly lit building.
Dimly lit. Dimly lit.
So what's the perk of lobbies being closed?
This. You find random places to eat your lunch.
And we can go bat watching.
You can what?
Look at bats.
Wonderful.
Oh, at dusk maybe.
Daddy's a slow eater, so he is
Gonna eat slow.
yeah, I was reading what's up there on that cliff. I'm like, what does that say on that building over there? It says, well, you can't see because
World
I
War
have
II glider and military mission.
museum and Cornish Pump and Mining Museum.
It's impressive, Aaron. You need glasses so we can't really see it.
I can read it. But anyway, we decided to eat at this place. It actually was the Chapin Pit Mine. And here is a miner who mined in the Chapin Pit Mine. And supposedly now, there's no miners anymore down here, but guess what they are, that lives here now.
What?
Did you see the sign? When we were driving, there was a sign up there. Yeah, bats. So we're gonna go see if we can find, not the men anymore, but we're gonna go see if we can find Batman. The one and only Batman down here. And the Chapin Mine Lake. Okay, I'll stop recording because I take too long of videos. So there's the end of the road. We didn't find any bats, but maybe we will on the way back up. We have 5 hours to venture to our next destination. And it's going to take us 2 hours to drive there. 2 hours and 15 minutes, 2.5 hours. So we have 2.5 hours to explore and 2.5 hours to drive. Look at this weird plant. Strange, I've never seen that before. His name is Chip. Because, oh, I'm gonna zoom out. Because his nose is black. He's so cute. I think he smells Culver's on us. I'm surprised he's not scared of us. We're so close to him.
This is actually a pretty cool town. There's some cute ice cream places. During day, you look cute. Bless you. I don't ski, so I don't think I'd be ever be here for you know, the reason most people come here. But
I kind of am glad that we're not doing all of the UP because there's some parts of the way west UP that I'd like to see. Maybe we'll come back one day.
yeah, maybe take Aaron's kids.
Oh, I meant like not soon, but
Like next month.
if COVID happens for forever, maybe next summer. Right? That Postal Islands and stuff. I mean, that's part of Wisconsin, but then
Right, yeah.
on the board, and then Porcupine Mountains are over there too.
Cool. All right, we're on our way to Holiday World. There's a one-lane road work like usual for this part of the state. And the train's coming by. It's pretty cool.
Thank you.
That dude's huge.
Oh,
That dude's huge. No wonder it's going so slow. You're waving to empty cars.
he just waved to me.
Oh, that guy did?
Sure.
Oh, there was a guy there. Oh, I thought you were just waving to empty cars.
No, there was a guy and he waved to me. I'm like, we're at the Magic Kingdom. It is Disneyland's 65th birthday today and it's closed.
I know. It's 4 months now. That is insane.
Oh, the train's going toward them.
That's a lot of food.
Tons of them. Oh, we just saw that wood plant back there. It's called LP or something. I need to look it up. Maybe they're taking it there.
Crazy. We're still on our way to Marquette. We got about a half hour or so. But yeah, we just passed by some rocks, and this area really gives us the... What? Oh, anyway, the Flagstaff vibe by the Lava River Cave. Which unfortunately, we don't have a good video of because that was back in 2016 where we didn't know any better. So we... Yeah, we have like a couple and they're dumb. But man, I really wish we would have captured that on video. We have a lot of pictures, but that's all we have.
At least we have pictures.
True. Yeah, it won't do justice, but this is a really pretty view with the trees lining the sky.
I'm straight ahead. There's like, I don't know if that's a mountain or what that is.
But I was going to talk about, we've had an eventful drive on this road besides that going down to one lane.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's pretty. But we also saw a truck carrying an RV, carrying a boat.
A full-size boat.
A full,
not like a little canoe.
Right. And the RV part of the train blew out a tire when we were behind it, but it was fine. I mean, they got off to the side, but I mean, it was silly having the thing pulling so much weight. And then we saw a hay truck pull over to the side as well. They lost a bunch of its hay on both sides of the street. I wonder how they did that. But there was a lady on the other side trying to get some of the hay bales, but a lot of them just exploded. So yeah, they got their work cut out for them too.
Yeah.
But hopefully no similar fate applies to us on our way to Marquette. Miss Google's gonna yell at us for a little bit, but we wanted to see what this thing over here is.
Yeah, it looks so freaky, Aaron.
That's weird.
Yeah, and there's another tall building next to it. I'm like, what the heck is that? Is that where...
Turn left onto West Empire Street.
Don't tell us.
I want to see what this weird thing is. Look at this building, dude. It's
see
like
it.
portal elevator going down.
Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated.
In half a mile, turn left onto Canton Street.
Iron Ore Heritage Cliffs Shaft Mine Museum. That's what it is.
It's pretty cool.
It's a shaft. Mine shaft.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Spruce Street.
Just wanted to get close to it.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's closed.
Yeah. I don't know if we've done it with open, but it's definitely interesting.
I want to read the signs. That's cool.
It is neat. Yeah, I don't know.
It's huge.
It is. Yeah. What made them think so? Yeah, I don't, yeah. The inventors back then, I think, are smarter than the inventors now. Just because they had so little to work with. With us, we got computers and we got more advanced technologies to help us along, but they had nothing.
I want to know what that is.
Well,
Someone comment below and tell us what this is. CNH.
hear the clicking of random bugs.
You hear that weird noise?
Yeah.
Like, is that an electric field?
Maybe it's electric fence. I don't think so. Oh, it's coming from over here. Let's see if we can spot it. Getting closer to it. Oh, it's this bug right there.
What?
It's that bug right there. Watch. It'll start.
What's the bug?
Yeah, it's a bug. It's
That's
this
so
bug.
loud.
Yeah, it's this bug right. That's like. Isn't that weird? All right, off we go. We are in Marquette.
Yeah, what I mean, this is it.
Yeah, I just think.
We're in almost in the city limit of Marinette. There's a lot of shops
yeah.
and stuff, which is weird because, like I said before, I thought,
It's a huge Dollar Tree.
wow, that is, I don't know, that's not the whole thing, is it?
Maybe not.
But like, yeah, I don't remember big tons of stuff.
That's a cute big boy.
Oh, it is cute.
There's a lot of cool restaurants here. Well, they're mostly chains, but they all look cool. Especially that big boy, man. That's well. No, we're supposed to stay on this.
Oh, I want to downtown Marquette.
Oh well.
Maybe I can
But anyway, this is a pretty cool city. They have all the big things: Target, Meijer.
Well, yeah, Northern Michigan University's in this town too,
Right.
so of course they're gonna have a lot of stuff.
Cool. What's our destination?
Marquette.
Oh.
I don't have a destination. I just wanted to see this town since we could go through it and go to
Oh
it.
yeah, for sure.
Because people talk about this place all the time.
There's a weird building by
We
the.
could park here and just walk around.
Yeah, maybe.
That's what I want to do.
Okay, let's do it. That's really strange over by the water. I want to investigate that.
There's parking.
Yeah, park it here. Post office and courthouse. Cool. Parking for rental parking.
You guys should just park in this meter or just or no parking here too far.
In 400
Yeah, I don't know.
feet, turn left onto South Front Street.
We'll figure it out, and then we'll be on our way. Sorry it's so shaky. That's pretty cool. We found a place to park. It's gonna break the bank though. That's alright, we're on vacation. We'll pay the 50 cents an hour. 50 cents?
What?
What?
It's not even 50 cents an hour because it's broken.
Oh jeez.
So I put the dollar in the thing. Like not in it, but like I put it in where you get the receipt.
Uh-huh.
So I'm like, someone can get $1 from me. If you want out there.
We're at Lake Superior. And you want to guess what that's for?
No idea.
Yeah, I don't either. Maybe they build boats in there? You know what I mean? You know how... I don't know. Pretty cool. But anyway, Marquette's a really cute town. I haven't seen the campus yet though. Landmark end up there. Neat. We are still walking downtown Marquette, the Delft. It's a pretty cool theater. I guess it's bistro? Interesting.
That's a place you can eat there?
It looks like it.
That's cool.
It is pretty cool. Too bad we're not that hungry.
Well, I want a drink. Get a snack.
Yeah, we'll take a look. We'll walk back on the other side. Maybe. They take it super serious over here. Bingo supplies. That's pretty cool. I wonder if they have a Kino supply place over here. But anyway, Mom and Aaron are in there getting some Gatorade or Powerade because it's on the warm side, even though the breeze is awesome. But we're gonna head back to the car and then we're gonna head over towards the other city, which is I guess an hour and a half, 2 hours away, where we're gonna take the cruise. So we're just in that general area when the time is up because we don't want to miss it. But anyway, I give Marquette a solid B+. Cool city.
Get your dabbers here at the Bingo Supply Shop in Marquette, Michigan. And Aaron and I just walked down the hallway to see the virtual arcade. And was it actually a virtual arcade?
Yes. So was it just like basically vibes and riffs, or was it more...
I don't know what those are. I'm not cool like you guys. What is that thing that was hanging from the ceiling?
I wasn't looking at the ceiling.
Why not? Daddy, walk down the hallway and see what it is. Oh, what's that? Wooden nickel. Last of the originals, wooden nickel. But yeah, it was actually like the VR we went to in Disney.
Goodbye, Marquette. You actually have really cool architecture in this city.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Fisher Street.
Yeah, why do they have really cool architecture?
Aaron?
I don't know.
What?
This route avoids road closures on West Munising Avenue due to
I just
construction.
gave
Well,
you...
because of the
You
iron.
are on the fastest route.
Yeah, because of all
Reach
the
your destination by 5:55 p.m.
iron mines that are in the area, or that
I
were.
don't know if we told it, but that thing down by the water was actually an iron dock, so they could get the iron on all the ships to take it through the, you know,
To Chicago.
to Chicago, to
Take the
wherever.
next left
Yeah.
onto Fisher Street, then turn right onto South Front Street.
Through the lake, what are those called? The Great Lakes.
It's nice. Yeah. Right. That's really cool. Okay, anyway, we're off. Hiawatha National Forest. We're still hugging Lake Superior around. So that's pretty cool. You can't see it at the moment, but you probably will in a second. This is a nice scenic drive. Maybe not so much here, but it was earlier. You're welcome for not showing it.
So I thought it was gonna get better, but then it just got like this. Which is nice still.
Yeah, it's still nice.
What's our ETA?
Our ETA is, let's move the mask. We got 20 minutes.
6 p.m.
Yep.
Hopefully there's something close to eat really quick because,
Yeah.
I mean, they said they get there half an hour before the boat leaves, which is 6:30.
Right. We'll see.
Or we'll just get a bag full of snacks and eat snacks on the boats. We got Pop-Tarts.
That's weird. Santa's ho ho ho.
Come to the
Come throw away your
casino.
yeah, throw away your retirement money here.
Oh, that's cool. There's little yurts and stuff.
Christmas, Michigan.
Merry Christmas, Michigan.
Man, this is way better than Santa Claus, Indiana.
I know, it is actually. It's
Well,
the North Pole.
yeah, I guess so, but
I mean, well, I mean, it's not, but
y'all.
it's pretty.
It is very pretty.
Right there.
Hope I missed it. Again, you're welcome.
Bye, land. I wonder if it'll be dark when we get back. I don't know.
Ocean Rocks cruises, I'd also like to welcome you on to Lake Superior, home of the Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. This lakeshore does encompass 42 miles of spectacular Lake Superior shoreline and is one of only 4 national lakeshores in the entire U.S. park system. Inside this lakeshore today, we'll be seeing sandstone cliffs, which range from 50 to 200 feet above the water level. And the sandstone has been molded by the wind, rain, and waves into pretty fancy sea caves, archways, and formations. There is also a mineral spring water that runs through these cliffs and gives them some distinct colors. On our cruise out today, we'll be seeing a couple pristine sand beaches, a few small trickles of waterfalls, as well as taking a close pass by an old lighthouse that's been refurbished.
This is Grand Island, right? There's the lighthouse. It's pretty cool, creepy looking. That creepy lighthouse.
The East Channel Lighthouse was built here in 1867, shortly after the Civil War, making it one of the oldest lighthouses still standing on Superior shorelines. It was built of the schoolhouse design. You can see why they called it that. The last man to operate this lighthouse was a man by the name of George Pryor. George Pryor lived out here on Grand Island in considerable isolation with his small family. And by small family, it was he and his wife. 58 east out of Munising, follow the roadside, should take about 20 minutes. There used to be Twin Peaks on top of Miners Castle. See that U-shaped hollowed out section off to the left? Came crashing down in 2006. 20 years ago, a family of beavers built a dam on the creek that feeds Brattle Vale, pretty much dries it up by the middle of summertime. Well, this waterfall was pretty much dried up about a week ago. Just a little trickle, until we had some rainfall in the Munising area, started to run again. I would assume in about a week or so, it's probably going to be fully dried up. Probably won't run again until next season.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's so cool.
Copper. Lights come from calcium. Blacks from manganese. You'll notice that this first large cove is mainly iron ore seepage, with a little bit of that white calcium staining towards the end of cove number 1. See it near the base of the cliffs, kind of streaking into the water.
It's like the work right there. The way.
Beach, where I think this trip really starts to get interesting. All of my favorite rock formations are yet to come, plus we can sneak you up a lot closer to the cliffs through here. Starting with one of my favorite sections, these are called the Caves of Many Colors. And these caves are an excellent example of how that wave action carves out the soft, thin layer of rock.
That's so cool. Just like in real life, because you can see it in the video later.
Back this way, the sun will be lower. Remember how it turns a different color?
Ceiling and into the lake, much like it's raining inside of Rainbow Cave. This groundwater does continue to fall year-round and makes for some beautiful icicles in the wintertime. Headdress. From there, Indian Head almost becomes three-dimensional. You can start to pick out a jawline and even a left ear. Some hockey fans try telling me Indian Head looks a lot like the Chicago Blackhawks logo. But I wouldn't know. Because I wouldn't waste my time watching the Chicago Blackhawks. Grand portal that stuck out to about where the boat is now.
That covered an additional 6 acres, but then all came crashing down back in 1902. As for that small archway inside the Marinette portal, that came crashing down about 25 years ago. As you can see, it's kind of a nesting ground for the area seagulls now.
Oh, you're looking at the rocks right ahead of us. Don't crash! How cool is this?
Well, this is Chapel Cove. Have any of you folks ever done anything like this before?
No.
Well, neither have I. Thank you very much, thank you. You folks look off the side of the boat, you'd be looking into 15 feet of water. It's nearly crystal clear. Small white specks kind of embedded into the cliff. That's called boat paint.
That was cool. We got so close to the rocks, I thought our boat was gonna crash. Right? Bye, Cove. So cool.
And now there used to be a stone archway that supported those roots. That stone archway came crashing down about 75 years ago. Yet, the tree lives on. Its rudder in an October snowstorm lost its capabilities to maneuver, so the wind of the waves broke it up into pieces. 26 hands aboard lost their lives. It is rumored that there are still pieces of that boat laying down at the bottom of the lake through here. But in reality, all of that's been washed away by the waves. To the left. If this formation does look familiar to any of you, you may want to check the spare change in your pocket. Chapel Rock was featured on the Michigan State Quarter back in 2018.
Oh. I think they're coronets.
There's a little ducking. One white seagull trying to.
Well, the camera died at just the right time. But the battery did die on us, so that last video probably ended somewhat abruptly. But it was I liked it. That was a good trip. Did you like it?
Long.
Yeah, it was nice and long, but I didn't feel it.
Yeah.
It felt like, I was like, that's it, we're already turning around. We've only been on the boat for like 20 minutes.
But it was 2 hours.
Yeah.
Total.
But now we're heading out. Maybe we'll find some place to eat. Otherwise, we're heading straight to the hotel and we'll have our salami. Sound good to you, Aaron?
9:30 already.
Yeah, it is getting late. Off we go. City Hall was a fallout shelter, and this building is a fallout shelter. Because you know, if the Ruskies the Russians are gonna attack anywhere, if they're gonna attack anywhere, it's gonna be the UP.
For real.
So I'm glad.
Turn left onto East Superior Street.
I'm glad if everything turns south, we can turn around and hide out in our fallout shelter here in Massapequa. What is the name of this town? Yes, yeah, something like that.
I don't know how you say it. Just
Yeah, it's a one-way. No, it's not a stop for. Oh, it's a three-way stop. I hate three-way stops.
you had to stop.
Everybody
The
has.
Anchor Fountain is pretty cool.
Yeah, that is pretty.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Michigan
People's
28
State Bank.
East, Cedar Street.
All right, off we go again. Okay, there is no smoking at room 107 at America's Best, right? It's a pretty large-sized room. Newberry? That's the town we're in? Cool. But, yeah, one of the bigger rooms we stayed in.
And one of the most expensive.
All right.
We've ever stayed.
But we're setting up a picnic dinner for us
Yeah,
at
here's Aaron's
11 o'clock at night.
Here's Aaron's plate. We got all the major food groups. We got potato chips, watermelon,
Potato chip fruit group.
M&Ms, and salami and mustard.
Nice. Fruit group. And we're all settled in. So let's just take a quick wrap up video. After Mom puts on the mustard, or how about we just?
Take on the
All right, we'll just do it. You and I, and we'll get Mom in the background. We'll do a standing one. Ooh, I like this. But anyway, what was your favorite part about today?
the lighting?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like ghosts.
Anyway, what was your favorite part about today?
Probably going on the
boat?
Yeah, the boat.
Yeah, that was nice. I like seeing the first waterfall the best, even though we almost lost.
That's what I was just gonna say. My favorite part was going in to see that first waterfall and scaring Daddy.
Okay, actually, you know what? I take it back. You know what I like best about today? Is that I hope the rest of the trip, gosh, my hair, follows suit, but I was very happy to see how 95 to near 100% of the people followed social distance and the mask. I was really worried about that, but I think everybody was pretty on board. Whether or not they wanted, I mean, there's an order, so, but I'm glad they didn't fight.
Yeah, and if they get caught without wearing a mask, if people actually can enforce it, they get a $500 penalty minimum.
I'd rather they just do it to be a good American. But anyway, tomorrow we'll see what happens. Weather might be an issue. So, Aaron, until tomorrow, why don't you go ahead and press that button?
Press that button.
Press that button. Press that.